Let's play! Choose a picture, draw it, and your picture will magically come to life. Let's draw a bird. First, draw its body. Violet, black. Now draw its belly. And its beak. Fabulous! Draw its wing. And draw its legs. Outstanding! You are doing a great marvel at how your bird sings and flutters around. Play with your own drawing. Press the buttons and swipe the screen. Let's draw a prickly hedgehog. First, draw its pointy face. Pink. And a round nose. Draw its mouth. Nice job! And now draw its prickly body. Sweet! Add some more spines. Now draw its legs. And 2 more legs. Look at how funnily it tumbles and runs. Play with your own drawing. Press the buttons and swipe the screen.